Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fry groundnuts with Garri. Here I'm selecting the peanuts to remove the bad ones. Yes, we call it peanut or groundnut, but here in Nigeria we mostly call it groundnut. So I'm removing the bad ones so that you will not eat rotten groundnuts. After that, the next thing I'll do is to get a bowl, pour it some water, and add about 2 teaspoons of salt into the water. Add salt according to your taste, and then pour the groundnut into it. I will allow the groundnut to soak into the salt water for about 15 minutes, and then I'll pour it out. Let it rest. It has soaked in the water for about 15 minutes, so the next thing I do is to pour it out into a sieve. Allow the water to drip for a while, about a minute or 2 minutes, and then I'll spread it into a tray. Spread it out into the tray. You can take it out to the sun or dry under fan. Then get a dry pot and put Garri. I have 2 cups of groundnuts there, so I'm using 1 cup of Garri for this groundnut. Heat the groundnut a while. Heat the Garri for a while, then add the groundnut. And then stir. It is that easy. Stir it often. You have to keep stirring it so that it doesn't get burnt, or the Garri will not get burnt. If you don't stir it often, it will get burnt. Just at continuous intervals, and within 15 minutes the groundnut will be roasted. At this point it's almost ready. In a few minutes we'll be taking it down. It's very hot to check. Ooh, too hot. It's mainly just small. You know it is done when it changes color, and then when you can easily peel it off from the skin, peel the skin off. Now it is ready. Time to take it down. I can now separate it from the sun. It's still roasting here. When you take it down, separate it from the Garri immediately. or else it will keep roasting and then get burnt. And when it cools down, you peel off the skin. Sorry I couldn't show you where I was peeling off the skin, but I have a video of how I roasted groundnut in the oven. Check it out. It will be in the description box or pop up.